Hi Year 3, so now you've watched a short video talking about symmetry and what makes a shape symmetrical, we're going to have a little go ourselves at trying to find some lines of symmetry in some 2D shapes. So to start with, you're going to need to get yourself a selection of shapes. I've got a few here that I'm going to be exploring with. And then we're going to have a go at folding the shapes to find out whether they are symmetrical or not, and some of them might have more than one line of symmetry. So you're going to need to get yourself some 2D shapes. I've just cut these shapes out from some paper I had at home. Remember to take care if you are cutting your shapes out that you measure them so that the sides are all equal in length, otherwise this experiment won't work. So we're going to be doing a folding test to find out if our shapes have got any lines of symmetry. So we're going to start with my rectangle. So I'm going to be folding it, and if the folded part sits perfectly on top with all the sides matching, then that fold line becomes a line of symmetry. So let's see if I fold my rectangle this way. All of the sides have matched up, which means my rectangle is symmetrical, and that fold line there is one line of symmetry. I'm going to try and fold my rectangle a different way. What about if I fold it like this? Have all my sides matched up? No. So that is not a line of symmetry. But what about if I fold my rectangle this way? All of the sides have matched up. So that is another line of symmetry. So my rectangle has got two lines of symmetry, one horizontal and one vertical. So I'm going to try with an octagon now. Remember, an octagon is an 8-sided shape. I've got a fold line just here. Do you think that's going to be a line of symmetry? Let's fold it over and find out. Yes. So when it's folded over, those sides all match up perfectly. So that fold line becomes a line of symmetry. I'm going to draw that on with a pen just so you can see it a bit more clearly. You might want to use a ruler for that bit. So there's one line of symmetry. Do you think there's any more? Let's have a go at folding it a different way. I'm going to fold my octagon this way this time. And all my sides are matched up perfectly. So we've found another line of symmetry. Let's draw that one on so you can see it. I wonder if there's any more. Let's try this way. Let's see, can I find another line of symmetry? Oh, all my sides are matched up perfectly. So there's another line of symmetry on our octagon. I'm going to keep going now, and I'm going to keep folding my octagon and checking if it matches up to see if I can find any more lines of symmetry. So I actually found 8 lines of symmetry on my octagon, which I find quite interesting because an octagon has 8 sides and 8 lines of symmetry. I wonder if for any of the other 2D shapes you find that the number of sides matches the number of lines of symmetry. Maybe that's something else you can explore today too. So your challenge today is to have a go at finding lines of symmetry in 2D shapes. You can draw them and cut them out like I did, or if you can, you might want to print yourself some and draw on those lines of symmetry. Have fun exploring!